Good morning. Welcome to a day in my life. As I'm sure many of you who follow the channel know, I have a very busy and very action-packed life. But Mom and Ed are out of town on a business trip for the next day or so, and I thought I could take this opportunity to make a little day-in-the-life video while they're not here to get annoyed by all my cameras and everything being constantly on. So every morning before it gets too hot out, I try and get up early and go for like a mile or so walk around the park. It kind of wakes me up, and yeah, I'm halfway through my walk, so I gotta head back and feed the dogs. That's not something I normally do, but with Mom and Ed out of town, the responsibility has fallen to me. One dog. Two. Okay. 3. Now I need to eat, shower, and get to work. Okay, I am in here working. This is actually Mom and Ed's office, but since they're not here and the dogs like to hang out in here during the day, I am working in here. I'm gonna get some school done, and then I've got to get some editing done and some work on a couple of little ideas I've got to do. So I'm gonna get some of that stuff done. Okay, I've been working on school for a couple of hours now, and I have this big mess of camera stuff that needs to go back in my camera bag because I washed said camera bag. So I'm going to get that done real quick and clean my room up a little bit, and then I'll hop back into school. So I'm sitting back out here on the couch. I got my camera bag packed, and I'm working on a rendering for a possible wrap or paint job for my Camaro. And we haven't worked on the Camaro in a while because we've been so busy, but soon we're going to be doing stuff with it. We've got parts being ordered. Things are going to start happening with it soon. But I made this as a rendering of what I would like to kind of paint it by, or at least what I'm thinking about painting it like. So back here we have the 6092, which is my racing number. We've got the flying tiger, mouth, and eye, a little checkered flag down here at the bottom, and then up here, this is my favorite little detail. We have a bunch of little Ford logos, and on the other side there'll be Mopar logos, like in old airplanes where every time they got a kill, they added a little logo to their plane. I'm going to keep a pile of those little stickers in like the glove box or something, so whenever at the track you're racing, if you beat a Ford or you beat a Mopar or whatever, you can add a sticker to the little tally. And I thought this was kind of a really cool idea. Weston Champlin has his Hellcat painted like this, and it gave me the idea because back when I was little and Dad would come up to Seattle all the time, when I wasn't flying to Texas like I do now, we would always go to the airplane museum up in Seattle, the Boeing Museum, I think, and our favorite plane was always the Flying Tiger. We always thought it was super cool, and when I got my junior dragster license, that was the car, that was the way my car was going to be painted. We never ended up painting it because we got too busy and life got in the way. But the helmet that I had, I'll see if I can find a picture and throw it up on the screen here, was Flying Tiger. So I thought it would be a pretty cool paint job or wrap that I could put on the Camaro. So that's an idea that I'm working on. Later I'd like to boot up Forza and see if I can make it in Forza and take some pictures of it and see if it would actually look as cool as I think it would. The only thing on this one, this is a 69 Camaro, not a 68, but it would basically look the same other than the body lines. But I've got to pause that for a minute. I've got to start laundry because I have to start packing for Indy because I leave in like a day and a half or so. So I've got to start getting all my stuff ready, finish up school. I've got some college work that I need to finish up today. I'm all done with all my high school stuff for this week. and I just need to do laundry and get packed, and we're closing in on Indy, which I'm super excited about. It's going to be a good race. Look at me being all responsible and stuff. So I've jumped into Forza, and the design that I was showing you guys earlier of the Camaro, I have successfully made it in Forza, and it looks amazing. Check this out. That's a frame I got, a frozen picture of it. It looks so cool. I'm going to drive around a little bit with it and take some pictures of it, and I'll put them up on the screen right here because this looks awesome. Dinner time, got some tacos, and then after dinner, I gotta feed the dogs, and I think I'm gonna make cookies tonight, because that seems like the thing to do. What time is it, Venus? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Is it dinner time? Is it dinner time? It's dinner time, isn't it? Huh? Archie, place. Okay. Here I have everything in a pile that I need to bake cookies. Let's get to it. Flour, baking soda, and salt. Alright, so these cookies might have come out a little bit rough, but I am going to clean up my mess and put the dogs to bed and go to bed, and tomorrow get up and do it all over again. This was like a short kind of day in the life when I'm here at home in California, and then you guys obviously see a lot of my life when I'm on the road chasing race cars. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.